Welcome back, subscribers, and welcoming new visitors to holidays and celebrations. In today's video, we're celebrating Herbal Golden Milk. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with what golden milk is, it's a healing, warm drink that's creamy, sweet. It's gently spiced with healing spices. Spices like fresh ginger root, fresh turmeric root, ground cinnamon, black pepper, vanilla beans, coconut milk or your choice of milk. Just the right ingredients for a magical healing drink. Golden milk is not new to us. In fact, history tells us that it goes back for thousands of years. People have used this drink for healing for many, many years. Golden milk is a cross-cultural drink. In the United States, it's known as golden milk latte. Other parts of the world, it's known as turmeric tea. Other parts of the world, it's known as golden milk. But the fact remains that this drink is a healing drink and has just recently become popular again after all these years. Folklore and our history tells us that other things were added to the drink to help with that flavor, such as ginger. Now, ginger is another anti-inflammatory as well. So, the inflammatory properties of both of these added to this drink makes it a really strong healing drink. Now, another thing that is important for you to know when you're making this drink is one of the ingredients is ground black pepper. Now, you absolutely must add the ground pepper because ground pepper is the carrier, okay? This is what helps to absorb the nutrients and push them through the system in your body. So this elixir has to have a carrier component to it. This drink can be sweetened with honey. It can be sweetened with maple syrup, rock candy like ginger rock candy or regular rock candy. Or it can be sweetened with something natural like stevia, which comes from the stevia plant. But the extra additives that can be put inside this golden milk is cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, and all of these things will round out the flavor of what is normally a pungent healing taste. The type of milk you use is versatile too. You can use your common sweet milk, almond milk, or the most popular is coconut milk. Now, are you ready for the ingredients? Okay guys, you want to start out with 8 to 10 ounces of full-fat coconut milk. Then you want to reach in your apothecary cabinet for the rest. Then it's 1 tablespoon of fresh grated turmeric root, 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger root, 1/4 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1 drop of vanilla, or use some vanilla bean scrapes, 1 pinch of black pepper, then 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey. Heat to simmer 3 to 5 minutes. Do not boil. For you coffee lovers out there, there's even a coffee version of golden milk. It's the very same golden milk, but it's half golden milk and half coffee. Always remember that every sip of this golden drink is just magic to the body. Its wonderful healing properties are just wonderful for anti-inflammatory issues. It benefits the brain and heart health. It boosts the immune system. Ginger, absolutely. There's proof about ginger improving arthritis, and it even prevents some cancers. Some people say this drink acts as a weight gain blocker, but it's definitely known for reducing nausea, and it's very helpful for the common cold, and it regulates your blood sugar. But the biggest thing I think that people have used this drink for is for inflammation, for like arthritis. Golden milk. Now that's a hot healing drink worth remembering, because it's perfect on one of those days where you're just not feeling up to par and your body aches and your joints hurt. It's perfect when it's really cold and rainy outside and you just want something to warm yourself. It's perfect to drink by a cozy fire right before bedtime. Now be sure to do your research, but this is one recipe you want to be sure to add to your kitchen journal. Take care all. Catch me on another video for different ways to be keepers of the seasons.